Dear young me, welcome to the world. I want you to grow up knowing that you are not less than anyone. You will learn to walk, you will fall, and you will rise. Embrace it, because you will have to get up many times. As you grow up, study, experiment, be curious, work as a team, make mistakes. Don't lose your hunger to know the world around you. Don't let anyone make you feel weak. Don't be afraid. Dear young me, you can be whatever you want to be. Train yourself and never stop learning. Don't miss any detail of what is happening around you. Look at the sky. You're here to contribute and leave something positive. Make a statement with your life. You're brave, so jump. Don't think that anything is too big for you. Life is a race. You will have to run it, but don't forget to enjoy it. Never stay behind. You have a place at the table. You have a lot to offer to the world. Your mission is to empower other women to do the same, to believe it and to live by it. Dear young me, you can do anything. You're strong. You're powerful. You're capable. You're fierce. You're free. You are a woman.